Will it be possible for independent scientists to have research funding and work together on global challenges? Will doctors be able to use scientific discoveries freely, giving patients more affordable treatment? DeSci, combining classical science and decentralized technologies, should answer this. My name is Daria. I'm a strategic brand marketer and growth expert helping blockchain-powered projects gain awareness and trust among users and developers. In this video, I want to give you an overall picture of DeSci and share some hypotheses about the future of this direction. Decentralized science aims to create an ecosystem where scientists are incentivized to openly share their research and receive credit for their work while allowing anyone to access and contribute to the research quickly. DeSci works off the idea that scientific knowledge should be accessible to everyone and that scientific research should be transparent. Decentralized science allows more diverse funding sources, such as DAOs and crowdfunding. Let's learn more about the projects presented in this direction. The most influential project is Molecule. Molecule is a decentralized biotech protocol building a Web3 marketplace for research-related intellectual property. A platform and scalable framework for biotech DAOs connects academics and biotech companies with quick and easy funding while enabling patient, researcher, and investor communities to directly govern and own research-related intellectual property. Molecule works in three directions. The first direction is the protocol. Molecule created a hybrid legal smart contract primitive called an IP-NFT. The IP-NFT protocol brings rights to intellectual property and R&D data on-chain, unifying the legal rights, data access, and economics around research projects into cryptographic tokens on Ethereum. The next direction is the marketplace. Molecule is building a marketplace that enables matchmaking between researchers and funders for translational research projects. And the third direction is Molecule as the BioDAO launchpad. To foster their development, Molecule builds and incubates BioDAOs, a new class of decentralized biotech IP and R&D organizations, through an incubator program called Bio.xyz. BioDAO communities consist of patients, researchers, and enthusiasts joining to fund research in specific therapeutic areas. Molecule became a basis for the creation of VitaDAO. VitaDAO was started in 2021 by Tyler Galato to fund longevity research. VitaDAO is a community-owned collective dedicated to funding and advancing exceptional longevity science research that will help people live longer, healthier lives. According to the organization, it boasts a community of over 9,000 enthusiasts, researchers, and contributors, and deployed over $3.5 million to projects researching diseases of aging, cellular biology, and repairing age-related damage to the body. The DAO has its token, Vita. It's used to vote on and govern longevity research funding proposals. Now on the screen you can see the allocation and price of the Vita token. At the beginning of 2023, VitaDAO closed $4.1 million funding round with Pfizer Ventures for longevity research. Previous investors include Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, former Coinbase chief technology officer, and decentralized science organizations like BakerDAO and SpaceshipDAO. Based on VitaDAO, a Zuzalu city was created. Zuzalu is the first of its kind pop-up city community initiated by Vitalik Buterin and friends. Zuzalu is a public good community, a playground for cross-pollination experiments, a debating grounds for exciting topics, a testing space for Ethereum-based technology, and a hub for futuristic sounding disciplines such as longevity, synthetic biology, network states, and more. I can make a separate video about Zuzalu if you show your interest in the comments. The next DAO on my list is focused on women's health called AthenaDAO. At DAPCon, Ines Silva, founder of AthenaDAO, talked about the mission of the DAO and the underestimation of women's health research. The main point is that most research and data analytics on human health are relevant to men. The female body's physical and psychological health has been researched much less so far, leading to difficulties in preventing some diseases. AthenaDAO is also built on molecule protocol and gets support from the ecosystem. The last organization on my list for today is LabDAO. It's an online organization of scientists and engineers. Their goal is to make bio-machine learning tools more accessible and clinically relevant. They aim to unlock progress in the field by breaking down barriers caused by poor usability and niche expertise. LabDAO has developed Plex. Plex is the Python package enables you to run computational biology tools seamlessly. It's developed for scientists and developers who want to make running the latest computational biology tools easier. Also, I want to share 4 points that reduce DeSci's credibility. Firstly, DeSci lacks a clear set of shared values. Currently, different segments are defined by the problems they are attempting to solve. For a new culture within science to emerge, the movement would benefit from rallying behind common principles. The second point is diverse participation. DeSci communities will primarily comprise people already involved in crypto and science, two spaces where women are underrepresented. Gender imbalances have real consequences. Women's health, for example, has been historically under-researched. That's why AthenaDAO is focusing on women's health. The third point is prioritizing end goals. Ultimately, DeSci is a movement that's experimenting with a collection of new tools in an attempt to improve science. For DeSci to succeed, these tools should be unnoticeable and integrate seamlessly into everyday work of scientists. And the fourth point is lack of trust. Due to the novelty of the direction and the longevity of scientific research, bad actors can take advantage of the opportunity to appropriate funds received from donors. Just imagine Elizabeth Holmes, who thought of adding blockchain to her excellent ideas. That's why DeSci projects need to work on public communications to overcome mistrust in the community and of people far from science and technology. Despite all the challenges, I think such decentralized scientific initiatives can help make the healthcare and wellness industry more transparent and diverse. What do you think? Where would you invest if you choose the field of science? Leave your comments and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos.